In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see who's using your TikTok account. Monitoring who is using your TikTok account is crucial for maintaining security and privacy. Unauthorized access can lead to your personal information, videos and messages being compromised, potentially resulting in identity theft or misuse of your content. To do this, simply head to your TikTok. On your profile page, tap onto these three lines and head to Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, tap on Security and Permissions. You will then select onto this option of Manage Devices. On this page, you will see all devices that once had or currently have access to your TikTok account. If you go through and find any untrusted device, simply tap on the delete icon next to the untrusted device and select on Remove. Regularly checking for suspicious login activity helps protect your account from hackers and ensures you're the only one with control over your digital presence. That's how easy it is to see who's logged into your TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.